Hello there, welcome to 2 Minute Makeup, a new short, sharp and shiny series I'm starting to be able to share more videos with you and share more product information in a detailed but concise way. I might feature new releases or old favourites, breaking them down in a bite-sized review. I'll still be sharing my usual longer, more in-depth reviews and beauty edits, so think of these snappy videos as the news headlines on a particular product or formula. I'd love to hear what you'd like to see me feature in future. Please leave all of your product suggestions or requests in the comments below and make sure you're subscribed for more. Start the clock! I wanted to begin with the new Gucci Beauty Rouge de Beauté Brilliant Glow and Care lipsticks. You might have seen one of these in my recent spring makeup video, and I'm planning a big Gucci brand overview in future, but I thought this series was a nice way for you to meet them sooner. These lipsticks are meant to provide long-lasting shine and 24-hour hydration. They're a cross between a sheer lipstick and a satin, nice buildable, semi-transparent colour. Typically glamorous gold and printed, weighty packaging with a thin, angled bullet that's easy to swipe straight on. The highlight is the glowy, luminous finish. It feels balmy, not sticky, and has a smoothing effect on the lips. Swipe once for a subtle glow or layer for more intensity. I personally like swiping once or dabbing or patting these on for a more natural wash of colour and shine with a bit more lasting power. The formula includes hyaluronic acid, fruit butters, and flower oils, so it certainly feels comfortable and cushiony and won't be drying, but don't expect these to do the heavy lifting if your lips are really dry. Also worth noting that Gucci lipsticks always have quite a strong floral violet scent, but I really like it. The formula comes in 15 shades. I have 9 here to swatch. Emmy Petal, a light coral pink, My Cousin Rachel, a mauve rosewood, but it's much more peachy on me, Sally Soft Honey, a pinky peachy nude, Call It a Day, what I'd call a mauve rosewood instead of My Cousin Rachel, Linnet Stone, a chocolatey nude, Virginia Scarlet, a toasty orange red, Margaret Ruby, a vivid red, Goldie Red, known as the Gucci Red, and Vantine Fuchsia, a super vibrant fuchsia pink. You can see that shine in full swing here, but how do these compare to Gucci's sheer formula I'm obsessed with? The sheers are beautifully balmy and light with more of a satin finish, whereas these feel slightly thicker and slippier on the lips and have a lot more shine. Goldie Red is the brand's signature red and my personal favourite, but you can see Glow and Care is a much cooler version. Time's up! That was your 2-minute makeup meet cute with the Gucci Beauty Brilliant Glow and Care lipsticks. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please share your thoughts if you've tried these and tell me which shade you'd pick from that bunch. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know what you want to know about in future episodes. I look forward to reading through your product ideas. Thanks for watching. See you next time.